Hello, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be attempting to remove an old degraded crankshaft seal. See part of the black around, and in the center it's metal. So what I've been doing is trying to pick at it using that right there, and that knife usually gets most of the seals that I've gotten out, but not this one. Alright, so I'm not going to be able to set up on a tripod, but I want to show you the what's happening here. See, it's moving around. I'm grabbing a little bit of rubber left still on it, but I really can't do anything with it. Let me show you what a new one looks like. Here's one I took out for a cam seal. Same way. They go in like this. This is going to be facing in the inside towards the engine. And there's a little spring in there. And with rubber, got a lip that goes over that little spring. Underneath the rubber though is metal, and that's kind of what I showed you with that crankshaft. We're down to metal. Can't really get this one to see that metal there. Maybe you can. So that's where we're at. See the depth? I don't know how, that's probably 3/8, something like that. Maybe 2/8. So we don't want to go deep. Okay, so what really helped me was using the Dremel variable speed. Use it on like number 1, really low. Yeah, it has a snake here attachment, attaches to the Dremel there. You can change your bit or mandrel. The chuck there. This is a 3/32 chuck. Probably use a 8th inch as well. I started out with like a round. Yeah, I started out with the number 3 round, and then I moved up. After I got the hole started with the number 3, I moved up to number 5 round. After that, I just had a really thin screwdriver, as you saw. I had to actually punch it, my hammer, to try to get kind of under it. One hole did not do it, so I had to do a second hole. take a look at it. Yeah, and here's a look at it. You can see I used 2 holes. That was really hard for me to get out. The other 2 seals were okay, easy to get out. You have to be very careful. You don't want to slip and mar the crankshaft. So I guess that'll be it. Thanks for watching the video. That's how I got these seals off. Time consuming, just take your time. Yeah, the Dremel helped out tremendously for me. Thanks, take care.